Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Thursday, July 31st, and this is my PM recap for the Euro US dollar. And I'm starting off on the 4 hour time frame. So, on the 4 hour time frame, I wanted to start here because we have two options. This is either an A or a 1. This move up right here is either a wave B or a wave 2. We are now either in a wave 3 or we're in a wave C. In my eyes, if it goes below the 61% Fibonacci retracement of this whole move up right here, it is not a wave C, meaning that this is not going to just shoot back up. Because if it goes below that, that is overextended for a wave C. That potentially would tell us that we're in a wave 3. Now, until we get a break of structure to the upside at a Fibonacci level, whether this is a wave 3 or whether this is a wave C, it shouldn't matter. We should still be looking for shorts on shorter time frames. There's definitely no end of a trend yet. Going down to the 1 hour time frame, this is not a double bottom right here. This is higher lows. So whatever happens in between here and here could definitely just be another pullback. This thing could go all the way up, which I think is very likely, to like the 61 or even the 78%, and then it could just continue the uptrend, the downtrend that is. So if price breaks this structure, that's what's going to tell me that the 4 hour time frame downtrend is over. If it doesn't break that structure, anything that happens in between these two lines is likely just a correction to the higher time frame downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.